Twilight. Games at Twilight is written by Anita Desai, who was born on 1937. She was one of the best known women writers of Indian literature in England. She has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize thrice and was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Some of her famous works include Cry the Peacock, Fire on the Mountain, Clear Light of the Day, etc. These are the games which children usually play outside or inside during summer, winter, or rainy season. Now let us know about the story The Games at Twilight. The story Games at Twilight is a short story written by Anita Desai. It describes about Ravi and his siblings as they play hide and seek games on a hot summer afternoon. The children beg their mother to go outside on a hot summer afternoon. The reluctant mother agrees because they have become restless. Raghu is the it or the seeker in the game. Ravi hides in the dark and dirty shed where old and broken things are stored. He is scared but still continues to stay there because somehow he wanted to win and to be admired. Once, when he wants to step out, but as he hears Raghu catch their sister and so stays back. An insect tickles his neck and still he stays inside the shed. The afternoon turns into evening, but he remains still there because somehow he wanted to be well known. He wanted to be known among his brothers and sisters, and he wanted to be admired. He wanted to be known that he is also someone. He thinks of all the things that the family does in the evening, sitting in the garden, and the gardener watering the plants, but no one comes to find him. Finally, he steps out yelling that he is the winner since no one has found him, only to find that his siblings have forgotten him. Therefore, he is so much hurt that no one remembered him enough to go looking for him and refuses to join in their next game. Thank you.